Hey there, workshop warriors! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of workshop life. Today I want to talk about something that's absolutely crucial but often overlooked: workshop safety. It's the backbone of a productive and happy workshop environment. Yeah, I know it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's super important. Without it, even the most skilled workers can find themselves in dangerous situations. Here are 5 reasons why you should never ignore workshop safety. These reasons are not just about following rules but about ensuring a thriving workspace. First up, avoiding injuries. This one's a no-brainer, right? Injuries can range from minor cuts to severe accidents that can put you out of work for weeks or even months. Whether you're working with power tools, heavy machinery, or even just hand tools, injuries can happen in a split second. The risks are always there, lurking in the background. A simple slip, a moment of inattention, and bam, you're on your way to the hospital. And let's not forget the emotional and financial toll it can take on you and your family. Wearing the right protective gear and following safety protocols can save you a ton of pain and hassle. It's a small effort for a big payoff. Second is productivity. When you're safe, you're efficient. A safe environment allows you to work without constantly looking over your shoulder. Think about it, if you're constantly worried about getting hurt, you're not going to be working at your best. Anxiety and stress can severely impact your focus and efficiency. A safe work environment means you can focus on the task at hand without distractions, leading to better quality work and faster completion times. This not only benefits you, but also the entire team. Third is legal compliance. Listen, whether you like it or not, there are laws and regulations in place for a reason. These rules are designed to protect everyone in the workshop. Ignoring safety standards can land you in hot water with authorities, resulting in fines or even shutting down your workshop. The consequences can be severe and long-lasting. Staying compliant not only keeps you out of trouble but also builds trust with clients and employees. It shows that you care about their well-being and the quality of your work. Fourth is protecting your tools and equipment. Accidents and mishandling can damage your valuable tools, costing you a fortune in repairs or replacements. Tools are an investment, and they need to be treated with care. By following safety guidelines, you're not just protecting yourself, but also your investments. Proper use and maintenance of tools ensure they last longer and perform better. Plus, well-maintained tools work better and last longer, which is a win-win. You get the job done more efficiently and your tools stay in top condition. And finally, setting a good example. If you're in a position of leadership or even just a seasoned workshop vet, people look up to you. Your actions set the tone for the entire workshop. Showing that you take safety seriously encourages others to do the same. It's about leading by example and fostering a culture of safety. It's about creating a culture of safety where everyone feels responsible for their well-being and that of their colleagues. When everyone is on the same page, the workshop becomes a safer and more productive place. So there you have it, folks. 5 solid reasons why workshop safety can't be ignored. It's not just about rules. It's about creating a better work environment for everyone. Stay safe out there, keep those goggles on, and let's make our workshops both productive and hazard-free. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy building. Let's keep our workshops safe and efficient.